Today we'll show you how to sign in and out of Business Central.
First, open your browser and search Microsoft 365. You can also go to Microsoft365.com. When you're at the Microsoft 365 homepage, simply press Sign In and type in your email address and correct password. Once you are signed in, you will see the Office 365 home screen, where you can navigate to all of the apps that your organization is providing to you. In the top left-hand corner, click your 9 little dots and expand these applications. Choose Business Central from the Apps section. This will bring you to Business Central and allow you to see your default role. You can see you're signed in by clicking your profile in the top right and choose to sign out at any time. Alternatively, you can go to businesscentral.dynamics.com to sign directly into Business Central without having to go to your Office account first. You also have the capability to have Business Central on your mobile device. You can easily download it by going to the App Store on your iPhone or the Play Store on your Android and downloading the Business Central application and signing in with your email address and password that your organization has provided to you. Business Central on the iPhone or Android is seamless and intuitive, just like the web application. You can scroll through and see customer information, activities, invoices, purchase orders, and even more. You can create sales invoices directly from the app if you are traveling or you're on the go as well. You can pick from any of your customers, choose your customer's name, and even be able to go through and add different document types, discounts, tax area codes, shipping, and billing information. On your sales invoice, you can also go through and click your 3 little dots and even post it and submit it to your general ledger. You can add attachments and much more. Stay tuned to learn more about Business Central in our future videos.